Hello everyone, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. Today we will dive into the world of English language, focusing on how to use the, that, they, their, this, these, their, theirs, them, themselves, then, and those in a sentence. Now let's start with the. The is a definite article. It's the word that gets attached to something specific, something that has been previously mentioned, or something that's clear enough to the listener. Let's consider an example. If I say, the book on the table is mine, I'm referring to a specific book, one that you can clearly see or understand is on the table. That's the for you. It's all about specificity. Moving on to that. That is a demonstrative pronoun. It's used to indicate a specific thing or person far from the speaker. It's like pointing with your words. For instance, if I say, that is my car over there, I'm using that to refer to my car, which is far from where I am. You see, that helps us specify something or someone at a distance. But here's a fun fact. That can also be used as a relative pronoun, connecting two clauses together. For example, in the sentence, the movie that we watched last night was thrilling, that is connecting the movie, and we watched last night, giving us a complete thought. So, to recap, the is used to specify something or someone previously mentioned or clear enough to the listener. It's like saying, you know the one I'm talking about. On the other hand, that is used to indicate something or someone far from the speaker. It's like pointing at something with your words. But remember, that can also act as a connector, linking two ideas together. So there you have it. Two tiny words, the and that, with big roles in our language. Remember, the is for something specific, and that refers to something or someone far from the speaker. Now keep these points in mind as they'll help you navigate the English language with more confidence and ease. Now that you understand the and that, let's move on to the rest of our list. First up is they, a third-person plural pronoun. They is used to refer to more than one person. For instance, they are my friends. Here, they refers to a group of people who are friends of the speaker. Next, we have their, which can represent a place or point. For example, there is a cat. In this case, there indicates the presence of a cat in a certain location. Moving on, we have this. This is used to indicate a specific person or thing close at hand or being indicated or experienced. For instance, this is my book. Here, this refers to a specific book that belongs to the speaker. These, much like this, is used to point forward to something near. However, these is used for multiple items. For example, these are my books. Here, these refers to multiple books that belong to the speaker. Now, let's look at their. Their is a possessive adjective used before a noun. It indicates that something belongs to them. For example, their house is big. Here, their indicates that the house belongs to a group of people. Theirs is a possessive pronoun. It's like their, but is used without a noun. For instance, the book is theirs. Here, theirs indicates that the book belongs to them. Them is a third-person plural pronoun used as the object of a verb or preposition. For example, I gave them the book. Here, them refers to a group of people to whom the speaker gave the book. Themselves is a reflexive pronoun that refers back to the subject of the sentence. For instance, they did it themselves. Here, themselves refers back to they. Then we have then, which refers to a specific time. For instance, I'll see you then. Here, then refers to a specific time when the speaker will see the other person. Finally, those is the plural of that and is used to indicate specific things far away or times past. For example, those were the days. Here, those refers to specific days in the past. These words might sound similar, but each has its unique usage. Practice makes perfect. We've come a long way today, haven't we? We delved into the fascinating world of English language, exploring the usage of the, that, they, their, this, these, their, theirs, them, themselves, then and those in sentences. We learned how the and that are used to specify and point out things in English. Remember how they, their, theirs, them and themselves are all about referring to a group of people. And we can't forget their, this, these, then and those, which help us indicate location, time and distance in our sentences. Each of these words plays a unique role in making our language more precise and expressive, and you've taken an important step towards mastering them today. Great job on making it through this lesson. Remember, the key to mastering these words is practice. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Until next time, keep learning.